Hi, this is Harry Forbes from ARC Advisory Group. I'm at the 2018 ARC Orlando Forum. My guest is Sandro Esposito from SignalFire Telemetry. Sandro, welcome to Orlando.
Well, thank you, Harry.
Can you tell me very briefly kind of what SignalFire is? I'm not that familiar with you guys.
Well, SignalFire Telemetry, we are a company that we manufacture and design wireless sensing devices. We were founded in 2006 and recently acquired by a company called Tazi. Tazi is a group that focuses on segments in the measurement, inspection, and testing business. Tazi is a part of a Berwin Group, which is a family-owned investment company worth several billions of dollars, that they have a very decentralized model in the sense of letting the companies flourish while providing like advice and financial support to grow for to deliver essential long-term growth.
Okay,
Yes.
so you're delivering, you've got backing, but you're not just delivering telemetry, you're delivering the measurement and the telemetry, right?
Exactly. So we have both like embedded sensors, wireless devices with embedded sensors, or we also have this agnostic, open and neutral approach where we can adapt to existing measurements in the plants.
Okay, and what distinguishes what you do from the normal forms of telemetry, if you will?
Yes.
What makes it different?
In a nutshell, if I were to summarize it, our company was founded on really listening and actively listening to users. And when I say that, I mean by making sure that the solutions we provide are versatile, user-friendly, really not complicated to set up, install, so you have this quick deployment from measurement to integration into a supervisory system. And then reliability. At the end of the day, if you want to have like a better monitoring, better IoT in terms of analyzing the health of a plant, you need to depend on this data. That data is crucial, and therefore the transmission of the data from A to B is super important. And having a 900 megahertz long-range radio while being low-powered to maximize battery life is how we differentiate.
Okay, and where are you headed in terms of the kind of enhancements and developments that you're focused on, say in the near to midterm future, say the next 1 or 2 years? What kind of things do you think you're going to be adding in?
Well, the next steps is really like focusing on how fast can a customer deploy a measurement and have its reading on an interface, whether it's a tablet, whether it's a cloud-based application. So the focus will be a sensor to cloud, deliver from like end to end, simple. You put a sensor in the field, and you have the measurement at your fingertips with the minimum amount of like middleware in between.
So do you have some specific goals for that in terms of what kind of industries or what kind of metrics you have coming for that? How are you going to? Are there specific goals you have, or what kind of objectives are you setting for yourself there?
Well, the couple of objectives is to introduce some and embed some new technologies in our radios. Mm-hmm. For instance, investing in LTE-M, going from sensor to cloud, partnering with companies that to have a plug-and-play solution that goes from our sensor to our gateway and into a supervisory system that could be tied into a backhaul or goes directly to some cloud platform. So it's both like introducing new solutions this year and next year, and also adding new technologies, new radios into our devices.
Well, that sounds very interesting, Sandro. I appreciate you coming, and we'll keep our eye on you.
Thank you.
This is Harry Forbes from ARC Advisory Group. My guest has been Sandro Esposito of SignalFire Telemetry. Thank you for watching.